part of tonight's homework is find a polynomial equation with integral coefficients that has the given zeros. Now, integral coefficients just means that when you have your final answer for an equation, you do not have any fractions or decimals. So you have just integers. So, to find the polynomial, you work backwards from the answers. If these are the three answers for the polynomial, the parenthesis before you got that answer must have been x minus 1, because you solve it. You go x minus 1 equals 0 and solve and you get 1. So, what do you think this equation should have been? How about x plus 2? And this one, how about x minus 3/2? That one's a problem. Can't have a fraction. So, I write it as 2x minus 3. If you think about that, if I solve 2x minus 3 equal to 0, I get 3/2. So, these are the three parts that if I multiply them, I will get the polynomial equation for that expression. So let's multiply it out. Now that takes a little bit of work, but I think if you're careful, you can do it. You should try to do it and then turn off the video for a second and see if you get the right answer. All right, first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to multiply these two. So I'm going to keep the x minus 1. I'm going to multiply this. So x times 2x is 2x squared. My middle term, 2 times 2x, 4x. 3 times x minus 3x. 4x minus 3x is plus x. 2 times minus 3 minus 6. There's the first part. Next part, multiply this out using distributive, so I'm going to get 2x to the third plus x squared minus 6x minus 2x squared minus x plus 6. Add like terms. There's only one cubed term, 2x to the third. It's two squared terms, so minus 1x squared. Don't need to write the 1. All right. X terms, how about minus 7x minus 6? And there you have it. There's the polynomial with integral coefficients, no fractions. If I had left this as a fraction, I would have had fractions in here. And it would have been more difficult to multiply. So that's it. So you should be able to do the rest of your homework tonight, which is on page 376. And I think the other questions deal with using the roots and the zeros, which we did today in class. So you should be all set with all of the rest of that homework. Good luck, and I'll see you in class tomorrow.